Welcome. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to enable the filter comments feature on others' pins in the Pinterest app on your PC following the new update. This handy tool helps keep your Pinterest experience clean and enjoyable by allowing you to control the type of comments you see on pins you don't own. Let's dive right into how to activate this feature. First, open the Pinterest app on your PC. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, look at the left side menu. You'll see several options there. Scroll down until you find Settings and give it a click. This will take you to the main settings area where you can tweak various controls for your account. Inside Settings, locate and click on Social Permissions. This section manages how you interact socially within Pinterest, including commenting and notifications. Here's where you can take greater control over the comments you see on pins created by others. Next, find the option labeled Filter Comments on Others' Pins. By default, this might be turned off. Click the toggle or checkbox to enable this feature. Doing so will activate Pinterest's filtering system, which screens out comments that could be harmful or inappropriate based on Pinterest's community guidelines and your personal preferences. After you've switched the filter on, be sure to hit the Save button to confirm and apply your changes. Without saving, the filter won't be activated, so this step is important to finalize your new settings. Once saved, you're all set. The filter will now work in the background whenever you browse or interact with others' pins, helping to create a safer and more positive Pinterest environment for you. That's it. You've successfully enabled the Filter Comments feature on others' pins with just a few easy steps. Enjoy a cleaner, more enjoyable Pinterest experience every time you use the app on your PC. Thanks for watching.